Today I'm testing DomoAI, an AI tool that transforms text, static images, and existing video clips into high-quality animations, cinematic video ads, and talking avatars. So let's test it. The DomoAI link is in the description below. If you want to test this out, you can sign up for free. Let's start with AI image. Head into AI image and select image editing. Now, choose the GPT Image 2 model. This is their most precise and detailed image model right now. For this test, I want to create a full cinematic cold drink promo ad. So the first thing I need is a storyboard. I've prepared a master image prompt covering 8 different scenes: macro shots, close-ups, rotate shots, and more. I'll set the aspect ratio, push the resolution to 4K, and hit generate. Okay, and here's the storyboard. 9 clean cinematic shots, all from a single prompt. I mean, just look at that. This is our foundation. Now let's turn it into a video. Click on Image to Video. Under the model selector, choose Seedance 2.0. Now pause this video and copy-paste the master video prompt. Set your aspect ratio, video duration, and resolution, and hit generate. Okay, I was not expecting that. That is genuinely cinematic. It looks like a real professional ad, not something an AI put together in a few minutes. The motion is smooth, the shots flow naturally, the whole thing just holds together beautifully. Now let's move on to text-to-speech. DomoAI offers both single and multi-speaker voiceover generation. The preset voice selection is fairly limited, I'll be honest about that, but you can clone your own voice in literally one click. Just click on Add Your Own Voice. Type your voice name, accept the terms, upload your voice sample, click Upload Audio Files. That's it! Your voice is cloned and sitting right there in your voice library, ready to use across any project. Today, I am testing DomoAI, an AI tool that transforms text, static images, and existing video. Let's take that cloned voice and create a talking avatar video. Click on Action, then Talking Avatar. Upload your image, describe your avatar's action and expression. Set the aspect ratio and duration, and hit Generate. Okay, let's see what we got. Today, I am testing DomoAI, an AI tool that transforms text, static images, and existing video clips into high-quality animations, lifelike videos, and talking avatars. All right, honestly, the talking avatar looks decent. The expressions are quite impressive, and the overall video quality is very clear. The avatar is overacting a little, but that's okay. Drop your honest opinion in the comments. Let's try video to video. This feature lets you take any existing video and completely transform it into a different visual style. I'm testing this on my own talking head video. Click on Action, then Video to Video. You'll see a solid collection of popular styles. I'll pick one randomly, set the aspect ratio and duration, and before hitting Generate, make sure you switch on both Relax Mode and Lip Sync. Relax Mode won't use your credits, but the result takes a little longer. Worth it if you're just testing and want to save credits. Now hit Generate, and boom! Today, I am testing DomoAI, an AI tool that transforms text, static images, and existing video clips into high-quality animations, lifelike videos, and talking avatars. Look at that! Our talking head video is now fully transformed into anime style. Genuinely looks great. The one thing I noticed, the lip sync isn't perfectly accurate. It's close, but not quite seamless. Hopefully something DomoAI tightens up in future updates. And finally, character to video. Here's how this works. You upload a reference video and a separate static image, and DomoAI makes that image copy the exact expressions, movements, and style from the reference video. I've added my reference video and image here. Hit Generate. Today, I am testing DomoAI, an AI tool that transforms text, static images, and existing video clips into high-quality animations, lifelike videos, and talking avatars. And wow! Okay. That actually got me. The character picked up the exact same expressions and movements from the reference video. Accurate. Genuinely impressive. DomoAI is a genuinely capable platform. And if you ever feel stuck or need inspiration, head to the Scenarios page inside DomoAI. Real use case examples that spark ideas and help you get started faster. Drop a comment and let me know. Do you think DomoAI is worth it? Or do you know something better? I'm genuinely curious. And join our Telegram. That's where you get the latest AI tool updates and new launches before anyone else.